Welcome to this short video tutorial on EMS management of our industrial grade switch product line. In this example, I will first configure the layer 2 industrial grade switch to support SNMP management. Okay, after logging into the switch, what I want to do is go to the security switch and SNMP. And first I'm going to set up the system. So what I want to do here is I want to enable SNMP. I'll use SNMP v2c, and my read and write community strings are set here. And I'm going to save. Okay, next I want to go to the alarm tab here. I want to create a new entry. I'm going to call it my default. I want to enable traps. I'll use SNMP v2c trap type with the community string public, small p, because community strings are case sensitive. And I'm going to send traps to my SmartView server, which in this case is the PC that I'm on. And next I want to choose what events will send SNMP traps. I'm just going to enable all of them. And save. Now I need to enable this and save again. Okay, then lastly, because this is all modifying the running configuration, I want to save the startup config. So that's done. Alright, now that SNMP has been set up, what I want to do is start my SmartView server. The server has been installed, but nothing has been configured. So we need to go to our settings, which will open up the administration console. And the default password is 4 zeros. Now to add an agent, we can either use discovery or we can just simply add the agent manually. Okay, we'll add it manually. It's an IGS 404 SM, and its IP address is a 250, and its device type is IGS 404. And I'm going to use SNMP v2, and my write community string was private. Okay, so that's manually entering. If I wanted to do entry by discovery, and I just go to discovery tab here, and because I already know the IP address is 250, I won't have to go too far. Just and start a search and manage. Okay, so then the same here. I don't have to really do anything unless I want to change the name, public, private, and this should be a small p, and okay. Now that the device has been added into my agent list, I want to go to the broker and I want to start polling that device. I'm going to use a default poller 1. And that means now the device is being polled. I can even check that it was added in the server. Agent was added. Okay. Now let's go to our EMS client. Again, the admin password is 4 zeros. We're going to add a tree. I'm going to call it root. Not very original. Select a tree and then add a node. And I'm going to go directly here to add the device. I know it's under the industrial series, the 404. It's this device. Add. And it's already given me some minor alarms. The power 2 is off. I've only got one power connected. Links are down. Those are only informational. Now if I go here to device view, then I can actually get a screen of the entire device. These are LED statuses in real time. This is the MAC address for this device, its firmware version, and different tabs I can use for setting up functions. The MAC table, ports, everything done through SNMP, through our SmartView EMS. So you can also view traps and alarms. Let me see, how can I simulate a trap? Well, I can do a cold start. I just powered the device off and it's going to reboot and it should give me a cold start trap. It's disconnected, waiting for it to reconnect. Anytime now. Okay, so we've got our cold start. So basically that's it. For the element console, you've got your inventory, traps, alarms, network tab, device, NTP server sync, parameter management, also possible to select which alarms are giving you the major, minor warning. Take some time, click around, experiment. Can't really hurt anything. And basically that's it for this quick tutorial, how to manage one of our industrial grade Ethernet layer 2 managed switches under SmartView EMS. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.